How to download and install Talkie AI. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you download and install the application Talkie AI on your device. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to firstly open any platform to download or install the app. So for the Android you'll have to open Google Play Store, and for the Apple you'll have to open App Store. So I'm opening the Google Play Store. Okay, so now from here you'll have to tap on your search icon, and in the search field you'll have to type for Talkie AI. Okay, so after you type this you'll have to tap on search option. Okay, so from here, after searching the Talkie AI, you'll be able to find the app Talkie Creative AI Community. So from here you'll have to tap on this install option. Alright, so from here, after the installation complete, from here you'll be able to open and enjoy this Talkie AI application on your device. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.